Hi, and thanks for checking out our 3-minute tour. Very quickly, we'd like to set the stage for this activity, as well as give you a quick demo of the website. Over the last 50 years, the PlanET region, which includes Anderson, Blount, Knox, Union, and Loudoun County, has grown by about 300,000 people. And over the next 30 years, we'll grow by about another 300,000 people, bringing our population to about 1 million. This website will give you some tools to evaluate what that growth might look like. So let's get started. You're currently looking at the welcome screen, which just gives you a brief introduction, but the activities really start on screen 2, priorities, so we'll dive right in. On this screen, you're presented with a set of 13 priorities. You'll be asked to rank these and select the top 5 that are most important to you. You can learn about each one by clicking on it. And to identify it as a priority to you, drag it above this white dashed line. I'm going to select Work Closer to Home, Convenient Car Travel, Choice of Housing Types, Water Quality, and finally, Local Agriculture. When I completed that fifth one, you notice that the check mark appeared in the top left-hand corner. You might have also seen the progress bar move. I'm going to click the progress bar. Notice that I've completed 2 out of 4 tasks. If I complete at least 3 steps, I can get access to this Compare Yourself tool, which will show me how other people have responded to the same exercise. So let's keep moving to the concepts. On this screen, you're introduced to 5 regional growth concepts. These represent different ways that the expected population and job growth in the region could be accommodated. You'll see that a button for each one is provided. Let's start by clicking the Trend button. The trend growth concept represents our business as usual approach to development. It's a continuation of the development styles and practices that have been used over the last 30 years. The map is already showing over here on the right, and I can learn a little bit more by clicking this More About This Concept link. We'll close that, and let's select another concept. I'm going to choose corridors. A couple things happen when I press that button. First is the map changed when I click from Trend to Corridors. Visually, this gives you some clues as to how the growth pattern in these concepts varies. The second thing that happened is you notice these arrows moving in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen when I click from Trend to Concept. These arrows should be the top 5 priorities that I identified on screen 2, and if they move to the right, it means that the corridors concept makes convenient car travel better than it does under the trend concept. Arrows moving to the left, such as the choice of housing types, means that I have fewer housing choices under the corridors concept than under the trend concept. And as I click through other concepts, I can see how those perform in comparison to the trend or business as usual approach as well. Well, the last thing I need to do is rate these concepts. To do that, I just select them on a scale of 1 to 5. For trend, I'm going to give it 3. And for corridors, well, it looks a little bit better, so I'm going to go ahead and give it 4. And lastly, I can go compare how other people answered these same questions. Looks like Work Closer to Home is pretty popular. And there's how other people's preferences showed up on the concepts. We hope you enjoy the website. Be sure to tell us a little bit about yourself on the way out the door.